Here I got another Amazon package. I ordered SSD sticks. I ordered two 1TB sticks. That's all I need for now. I'll eventually order like a external hard drive or something like that. Didn't get the shipping label off. Hopefully I don't show it in the video. Looks like I got what I asked for. Samsung 990 Pro 1TB solid state drive 6. I turned in my 990 Evo 6. This is a lot faster. Look at the read speed. Plus, it should last with a proper heatsink and stuff. I'm gonna open it up slowly. I'm gonna slowly open it up. Are the legit Samsung 90 Pro solid state drives. Yep, that is nice. Take a closer look at it. They both came in fantastic condition. You got the three chips on there. Unlike the 90 Evo or Evo or whatever you name it. Or whatever you pronounce it. Samsung. But I call it Evo. It's hard to stand for evolution. But pretty nice, very tiny. Gotta be careful with these. Those are expensive but worth it. I paid about like $90 for each of these. You don't really need an external solid state drive. You can just get a hard drive for storage. But these are good for the read and write stuff. These should last 1,200 terabytes written on there. That's pretty impressive. Oh, really well made, really small, efficient, and with the proper heatsink, they should run a long time without any problems. Thanks for watching.